Let's talk about how to create the most potent vision board so that way your reality reflects your vision board so quickly. Where I see a lot of people and the traditional way of creating a vision board is they teach you how to do it from a dissociated state. Now that's an NLP term. So what you have to understand is when you do it from a dissociated state, this isn't actually getting you into the feeling. You're not actually helping your subconscious mind to absorb the actual state of being in this feeling or having the thing already, because there's a difference. It's like looking at a picture of the thing that you want and you're like, okay, I want it. And that's when it's like you put the G-Wagon and you're looking at it from the outside. It's when you put the house, but you're looking at it from the outside. It's seeing it from the outside, where you really want to be creating a vision board and you really want to be visualizing from is an associated state. So this means instead of having a picture, you're playing out a movie. So when you're playing out a movie, you see yourself driving the G-Wagon. You see yourself in the house. You see yourself cooking in the kitchen. You see yourself experiencing the thing that you desire to manifest. And because your subconscious mind does not know the difference between what has happened, what is happening, and what will happen, time is an illusion that you've been brainwashed to believe in is this linear thing. When you can actually see yourself living out the reality where you have the thing already, that's when your mind goes, okay, got it, because we've already lived it. You've already lived it in your mind, so your mind doesn't know that you haven't technically lived it in this 3D realm. And so when you're creating a vision board, this is what you want to be doing. And when you're visualizing, you want to be doing it in an associated state, not a dissociated state. So instead of you having the G-Wagon from the outside or that house from the outside, I want you to put a picture of the G-Wagon from the inside. Instead of putting a picture of the house from the outside, put a picture of it from the bedroom or from the kitchen. See yourself cooking in the kitchen. See yourself waking up in the bedroom. See yourself experiencing the reality that you want to be experiencing and what you want to manifest. So put it from a first person. Like, how would you be seeing it if you were living in it? You would see the inside of the car if you were driving it, right? You would see the inside of the house if you were living in it, right? You would see it from the way that you're experiencing it. So you've got to put yourself in the movie. You've got to use imagery that actually matches with you having it, not as something that I want outside of me, but something that I've already felt and lived inside of me. So it's already happened. So of course I'm going to get it externally because I've already felt it internally. I've already created this reality. And so of course it's going to come to me.